When we implement microservice architecture, and if we have multiple microservices running, and if one of the microservice goes down for some reason, we do not want entire system to collapse. For example, if we have two microservices, which is microservice A and microservice B, if the microservice B goes down, we do not want microservice A to goes down, sending back exception messages to the client application. We want the microservice A to retry and handle the errors gracefully. That is where resilience4j component comes in, and it allows our application to do fault tolerance.